Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is doing safe. So today I'm going to show you how to make quickly the finest and tasty vegetarian pizza. I was craving for pizza from past 2 months. So it's been 2 months that I'm held up at home. So just today went to Safeway and grabbed these items quickly. And so what I have taken is, this is ready-made pizza crust from Boboli and a pizza sauce, jalapeno pickle, olives, parmesan cheese, mozzarella stick cheese and some toppings. Depends on your taste. So let's get started. So I'm taking pizza sauce. Take a good amount of pizza sauce and then apply it over the pizza base. Okay. So now let's start adding toppings. Toppings are your wish. You can choose whatever the toppings that you like. I'm taking just basic onion, tomatoes, bell peppers, red bell peppers, I've taken some basil leaves for the flavor. Black olives, jalapeno peppers, try to distribute it equally. And our favorite mozzarella cheese. I've taken 4 sticks of mozzarella cheese. You can choose depending on your taste. Okay, now the spices. So I'm adding garlic salt to enhance the flavor. and some garlic herb, black pepper. And finally, to increase the taste, Parmesan cheese. I'm adding handful of mozzarella cheese on top of it to give the extra cheese. You can also add this before the sauce for the extra cheesy flavor. Depends on the individual. So yes, we are all set. Preheat the oven and then place the pizza and then bake it for 10 minutes. So I just removed it from the oven. So this is how it looks. Tasty vegetarian pizza ready to serve.